Hello everybody, and welcome back to Cheapskate Garage. This is going to be part 2 of a 4-part series, and today we're going to be cleaning the throttle body. As you can probably tell, it's nice and dirty, not so bad there, but if you look on that side, whew, that is a mess. So we're going to get this all cleaned up, and then we're going to put it back in the F-150 here. So let's get to it. Alright, we got our throttle body here, and we're going to be using this throttle body cleaner. Now, you don't want to use carb cleaner on this, because there's a Teflon coating inside here, and it can really, mess this up and damage it. So we're just going to use regular old throttle body cleaner. And we're going to use an old toothbrush that I found over there and really give this thing a good scrubbing. So let me grab that, and we'll get right back to it. Alright, we got our cleaner, and you're going to want to do this in a well-ventilated area. I got my garage door and everything open here. But we're going to take this cleaner. We're going to be really generous with it here. And get that nice and clean. I'm going to go around here on the back and spray that real good. I've got my trash cans here, that way we don't make a mess all in the shop. But we're going to get that in there real nice and good. Kind of knock most of it off, and then we're going to go back in here with the toothbrush and give it a good scrubbing. Alright, we got our toothbrush. I'm going to go in here and give it a good, kind of go in circular motions here. Gonna get over here on the back side, and ooh, I tell you what, look at that. You see how gunky that is? Now we're gonna get in here and scrub this real good. Open this valve up, get in there and scrub. And I tell you what, it is a mess. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and clean this thing up, and then I will be right back with you as soon as it's nice and shiny again. Alright, we got our throttle body all nice and clean. As you can see here, if you remember, all that in there was pretty black and gunked up. Got the front of it here clean. Hopefully you can see that alright. It's nice and clean, and now we're going to go put it back in the truck. Alrighty, we got our freshly clean throttle body here. So what we're going to do is get in here, remove our little paper towel thing that we got covering up our intake. So we'll take that out, and we're going to bolt this throttle body back in there. Well, we'll get it all set down on there. I'm going to go ahead and reconnect the electrical connections now, because they're a little bit of a pain to get on there. So we'll get in here. Put this one back on. We'll go ahead and put this one back on. Hopefully you can see this all right here. Just slide right back on there and push it till it clicks. Push the safety back down. There it is. Get that safety back on there where it belongs. Okay, we're going to line up our holes. Get our 8mm bolts. Like I said in the first video, it turns out that these aren't 10mm, these are actually 8mm. So we're going to start these in here by hand. Make sure everything's all lined up. There it is. It looks like I'm starting to lose my light. It keeps trying to go out on me there. There it is. Line it up. Alright, we lost the light, so hopefully that ain't too dark. Get that started on there by hand. what we're going to do is just screw this the rest of the way down. Don't want to start these with tools. It's just easier to screw it down on there by hand, and then once you get down there tight, then you can go ahead and take your tool and put it down on there. But what do I know, this cheapskate garage. Alright, there's that one hand tightened in there. Now I don't have the torque specs, but we're going to take our little handy dandy 8mm combination wrench. We're just going to tighten this down. We ain't going to go too tight, but we're going to go tight enough that we don't got to worry about nothing coming off. So once it gets a little bit tight, just kind of give it a half turn there. We'll do the same thing here. It's nice and hand tight, so we're going to tighten it down. Whenever it starts to get a little difficult, just give it another half turn. Like that. And we're going to do the same thing on the back bolt. Alright, now our throttle body's back in the truck, so we're going to go ahead and end this video here, and we're going to replace the mass airflow sensor in the next video, and we will get the air box put back in here. So tune in for that, but until then, we'll catch y'all later.